Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm filming a get ready with me video. I've never filmed one of these videos before in the past, and I think this is a fun thing to do because it is definitely one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube. I just like watching other girls get ready and see what their process is like. I am getting ready to go to my friend's house for dinner, and that's why I am getting ready. As you can tell, my hair is already done. I just added a few curls with a curling iron, and I will be brushing it out before I go, just so that it looks a little bit more natural and less fake. I wanted to wear my hair natural and do my own natural curly hair, but it takes a lot of time and my hair takes absolutely forever to dry, and I wasn't in the mood, if I'm being honest. So I just added these curls, and I feel like this is a bit easier to do than my own natural hair. And for my outfit, I have this black top with these pants. It's very simple and very comfortable, and I might be wearing shoes, but I don't know, maybe not. Let's see. So if you guys want to see how I get ready, please keep watching. I'm gonna start with putting my hair away because I can't do my makeup like this. For my base, I'm going to use this La Roche-Posay Hydrating Water Cream Foundation. I won't be using a lot of this because the coverage is quite heavy. It's somewhere between medium to full, and I don't think I need too much of this. Just tiny bit of this, and I'm going to blend it out really, really well. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer just around my eye area, and maybe just a little bit around my nose too, because I have a little bit of redness around my nose. Now I'm going to set the foundation and concealer with a little bit of powder, and I'm using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna fill my brows with a pencil and a little bit of powder, but I won't film that because I've already done it in the past. I'll put it here, and it will be in the description box down below if you guys are interested in seeing that. So I'll do my brows real quick and I will be back. Brows are all done. Moving on to the eye makeup, and I'm using this Zoeva's Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette for my eye makeup. I'm gonna start with the Beans Are White. It is just a brown eyeshadow. I'll apply that around my upper lash line and I'll blend it out. Now I'm going to blend that with a small eyeshadow brush just to make it a little bit softer. Now I'm going to add the Substitute for Love and Freshly Toasted. Just tiny amount of these two eyeshadows to my crease, and it's just to define the crease a little bit. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of a dark brown eyeshadow just to my bottom lash line. And lastly, for my eye makeup, I'm gonna add some false lashes and a little bit of mascara. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of a black eyeliner just to cover my lash glue. I didn't do any job with applying the lashes, and I have lash glue everywhere. I'm seriously not joking, it's everywhere. makeup is all done too, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, line my lips, and apply some lipstick. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this get ready with me video. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box down below, and as always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I appreciate your time. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.